chose NBC Group because we had a product that we had in mind. Nobody else made it. We approached other manufacturers, they couldn't help us. When we came to NBC, they sat and listened with us, they decided on a product that was fit for us, and we were able to tweak it and make it suitable for what we wanted as a mutual product rather than something that was imposed on us.
As for the next generation, I think this is definitely the way forward. Certainly as a trust, we've been very, very happy with the products. Very quick to deploy. Once the shelter is actually up, it requires no ongoing maintenance, so it is almost a semi-permanent structure, and that for us has been really key.
We chose the D-container for several reasons. Firstly, we wanted a structure that was readily available. We didn't want to put our staff at risk by going outside, having to erect a structure, whatever that structure is, in the middle of a group of potentially contaminated persons. We thought that the biggest risk to us was that lag time from having people present to actually having something there to be usable. So our design parameters with NBC was it needed to be up and running within 5 minutes. So to that end, it's there, it's accessible to us, it can be put up very quickly, doesn't need a lot of people to do it. Within 5 minutes it's ready to play. We can store equipment in it, we can store water if we need to and treat it on site, so it fits all our design parameters.
We chose NBC after looking around, seeing what was on the market. We were really pleased with the way that NBC engaged with us in terms of design, research in the product. They really did work with us to make sure that everything that we needed was taken account of.
I think if you look at the risks, when we first started looking at decontamination, we had an inflatable structure, a structure which allowed us to deal with a small number of people. What we found is as the risk has increased, we needed something that was more fit for purpose, that was instantly available, that we could remove if necessary, that could be disposed of, but was much quicker to be ready for receiving patients. So as the threat has changed, as our requirements have changed also, and this is definitely the next generation, it's fit for purpose, it's there and it's accessible quickly, and that's got to be important to us.
Well, for us really the key benefits of the safe frame was that it was already interoperable with the equipment that we have within the trust. The training element was no different from the stuff that we've already done with the staff, so we don't have staff on the day under stressful circumstances having to worry about which piece of kit they're going to put up. It's a durable structure. We found it to be most robust. Also, infection control is high on everybody's agendas nowadays, and for us the fact that the surfaces are all cleanable and wipeable very easily was a key factor for us.